one thing just brings peace in my heart is that Mutabi was there when all this was happening because remember there was a misunderstanding between Dintle and Kanye Joe. So now Kanye is raising very powerful and very important questions about the men in Dintle's life. Now she wants to know why don't they stick around? Like her grandpa and grandmother, they got married and they stick around and they're still together this far. She wants to understand what is it? Is there a problem with us as a family? And do you remember how good we were before they came to us? It was just us girls and we were living our best lives. Now they come, they marry you, you become very happy, and when you are so happy when you're falling in love. But the problem is they always leave. Look at me now. I used to love Uncle Close's stories. Now he's gone. We don't have him, and you're heartbroken. Now, that actually poked Dintle's heart, and I'm glad that Mutabi was there to actually rescue the situation because Dintle didn't know how to respond to this, and Mutabi was the one that was responding, saying, no, there's nothing wrong with us. Okay, Dintle did say that there's nothing wrong with us, but then now they wanted to understand the perspective of Kanye, where she's coming from. She believes that before any man came through, they were happy. And when Dintle gets married, she gets happy. But these men always leave them. Hmm, interesting, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal, Ndima Dekwana, Sanbonan, Abshen, Molweni, Minjani, Hipukile Hingongwini. So namuhla ka nona kwa hina wa Scandal hi kuma ku ri swilo swi tshamisekangi kahle because ugogo goes to levels and she asked for kind of what's the name of that lady? I forgot her name. To get in contact with Mr. Chauke, and they must use TD's. They must use Mwana wa gae, Mama Poco's picture, and then send a friend request and pretend as if ki Mama Poco. Now, Mr. Chauke decided to get in contact with Upoko and ask the mother's numbers. Now, what puzzles me is that ha Poko abulela mama haye gore bona. There's a guy, his name is Vukosi Chauke. Then the mother was like, she was a bit shocked. So I don't know if the mother is worried or that is Poko's father. I don't know, but something Konente Shaman's lap. And considering Hore, Matabela is the one that is going around poking this man. There could be something there. Angazi ukuthi what it is, but there is actually something there. Now, on the other hand, re khumanisa gore ba re ke mang bashimane ba baitu not poet Ntutuko and the friend, now they're out because the other guy decided to come and tell the truth of what has happened. But now it looks like they are not going to be facing the criminal charges tsa gore ba bolaile motho, because now the other guy came and testified that he was the one that went in while they were sleeping. Then Afrima Ntutuko atsa stopo asibe gaufi le Ntutuko, hoping that in the morning Mpumi will wake up, hoping that maybe things will change. Now, when the police came to address them, she told them, I've got good news and I've got bad news. The good news is you are no longer abakhanelwa ke ngoku because with Sifumene confession, and they were like, okay, so can you release us to leave? But then the police says, well, you still have bad news, which is that it's obstruction of justice. Instead of calling the police, and then they did say which they were confused. They didn't know what was happening. They were scared, and then they feel that's not fair. Speaking of fairness, now they're out on bail and Boko was the one that paid their bail. Now the wife is not happy. It's not happy that Boko paid the bail. And then now, when he was telling the wife, you know what? They went out on bail, and then the wife says, "Yo, it could be very expensive for the parents for them to pay. I don't know. They shouldn't worry because I've paid." And I think the Toriso is being unreasonable because remember, these two gentlemen made sure Boko Poet does not get involved in all of this. Now, the least that he can do is to pay the bail. But then the wife says no. Does she prefer that the husband could have gone to jail? Because that was going to mosha career yake one time.